Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihana's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to share Muskmelon Sharbath, perfect summer healthy refreshing drink, a delicious and cooling beverage. Muskmelon milkshake or juice is ideal for hot summer days. For this recipe, first we need to soak quarter cup of tapioca pearls or sabudana for some time, and then we need 1 tablespoon of basil seeds. Soak it. We are going to cut the muskmelon or cantaloupe into half. Then you can remove the seeds. For this recipe, I am using only half of the cantaloupe. Cut it into small portion and remove the skin and chop into small pieces. Now you can transfer to a blender along with 1 cup of milk and blend till smooth puree. Add 2 cups of milk in a saucepan, and you can add 1 tablespoon custard powder and keep stirring on medium heat. Parallelly, you can cook the sabudana. You can boil water and add the soaked sabudana and cook until transparent. Once it starts boils, you can add muskmelon puree and whisk it well. Add half cup of sugar or condensed milk at this point and cook for another 5 more minutes. Now our sabudana looks transparent, and you can turn off the heat and you just strain it and keep it aside. Once the milk mixture starts boils, you can turn off the heat and let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, you can transfer to a bowl and you can add cooked sabudana and basil seeds. Mix it well until everything combined together. Finally, I'm going to add the chopped cashews and pistachio, 2 tablespoons each. And then you can refrigerate for some time, and this tastes better chilled. Once it's ready to serve, you can transfer to a serving glasses and garnish with some pistachio. Making a muskmelon milkshake is simple. and you may have it for dessert or as a nutritious snack. It is a nutritious beverage option because it also contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. I will share the detailed recipe in the description box. I hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another exciting video. Bye. Take care.